Hey, what's going on, everybody out there? Thanks for tuning in. Crypto Mid here. So this next video, kind of just wanted to dive into how you make money on Bitcoin. Essentially, kind of just go into that a little bit. I may be backtracking if you checked out my previous videos. So I apologize if I'm kind of repeating anything, but just wanted to dive in because one question that I did have, my cousin yesterday hit me up and he was like, how do I make, all right, he was like, I have Bitcoin. How do I make money off of Bitcoin? So I just wanted to do this video, just kind of just real quick going over how you actually make money off of Bitcoin. So you can either, so once you have your Bitcoin, you can make money off of it just by holding on to it. Because like I said, it's a rare commodity. It's something that's a rare commodity. Most of the time, the price is going to go up because something is rare, especially as the demand goes up. So like I said, as Bitcoin gets more and more mainstream, the price is going to continue to go up. Especially as more countries kind of get on board and they start buying, the price will definitely go up as well. So you can just, you'll make money just by holding on to it. So even right now, Bitcoin is roughly around like 4,300 or so. Do I see it going over 5K? Yes, I definitely think it hit 5K earlier this year, and I definitely see it going over 5K again in the near term. Like by the end of the year, I think it'll probably be over 5K, maybe around like 5,500 or so by the end of the year. This is just me speculating here. And then long term, say like a year or two, like I said, it depends on how quickly it becomes more and more mainstream and the amount of people buying in. But in 2 years' time, I can definitely see it anywhere between maybe 7,500 to like 10K in 2 years. But again, this is just me speculating it. So just take that with a grain of salt. Not saying this. I mean, there's a lot of variables, so not saying it is going to get there. Um, and again, this is not financial advice. This is just kind of where I see it going. So that's one way you can make money off of Bitcoin. The other is by kind of what they consider trading. So kind of trading, just consider trading as like kind of like how people day trade stocks and they trade it. Essentially, it's the same way. Like people day trade coins, cryptocurrency. So, like I said in my previous videos, there's literally thousands of other coins out there, and all you're doing is saying, "Hey, okay, I have my Bitcoin, and there are tons of other coins out there. Which coin?" So again, you have to do your research on the coins, and if you're like, "Man, that's over my head. I'm not trying to research, get into it." Well, then, like I said, I plan on making videos, giving picks, because, like I said, this is what I do all day, every day, is I just research coins and I just analyze them, all that stuff. So I plan on giving out picks of different coins that people should invest in, both short term, mid term, long term. And then I'll make videos. You can just check out my videos and be like, okay, cool. Crypto Mid suggested this. I'll try to get into this. Boom. But so essentially, he said, "You're all you're doing is saying, hey, I have my Bitcoin here. I want to exchange this Bitcoin for, let's say Ether, because Ether is another big or popular coin right now. So currently, like the price of Ether is around like $300. I think the high was 400. Do I see Ether going up? Yeah, I see Ether kind of plateaued, and I think it will go up. So if I wanted to buy Ether, well, then now I would exchange my Bitcoin. So say I had $100 worth of Bitcoin, and I'll exchange that $100 worth of Bitcoin for $100 worth of Ether. And so say I buy $100 worth of Ether, and Ether's currently at 300. Well, now I've got like a point 0.3 worth of Ether. I've got 1/3 of a full Ether coin. So if Ether goes up from 300, say it goes from 300 to 400, oh, well, that's awesome. I just made essentially, so from 3 to 400, that would be like 33% roughly. So you're going to make 33% if Ether went from, let's say, $300 to $400. So that's a pretty good return. Um, and so that's how you would make money off of kind of like coins in general, is you're kind of like speculating. So look at it as a stock. So if, say, like Apple or Amazon, those are kind of big companies. Say, I don't know what the current prices of those stocks are because I don't even follow stocks anymore. But let's say Amazon is like 400. If Amazon went to 400 and it doubled to 800, well, then you would have doubled your money. So same thing with coins. Say you bought let's say you bought $300 worth of Bitcoin, and then you converted that to $300 worth of Ether. Well, now you've got a full Ether coin. And so you got an Ether. Let's say you hold on to Ether for like, say, 2 months. So let's say 2 months from now, you just kind of been sitting on Ether and holding it. Well, now Ether shoots up to $400. Cool, you just made $100, you know. And so essentially, like, that is pretty much how you make money. Essentially, off of it is you're making money or losing money if the price of the price of whatever coin you buy into, if that price goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you're going to be losing money. So essentially, that's how it works. So you want to make sure you're getting into essentially good coins. That way, you know, you feel pretty safe about your investment and saying, hey, I'm not going to lose here. Because trust me, there's a lot of people who are just jumping in now just to kind of make quick money, which is cool. You can, but don't just jump in and start doing it if you don't know what you're doing. Like, 'cause you'll lose money. And I mean, check out. It doesn't even have to be like my videos and like my picks or like whatever. You can check out YouTube for other people's picks or start or research coins in your own, however you want to do it. But just make sure you feel comfortable getting into any coin. And as long as you feel safe and confident and comfortable, then I think you'll be all right. Because if you pick the right coins, I mean, they go up on an everyday basis. They may go down a little bit. I mean, right now, like, see, the thing about crypto is what they call volatile. So I mean, they're all over the place essentially. Like one day they'll be up, next day they'll be down. You know, they're just real volatile. There's no really kind of like constant. You know, which is fine because that's how you make money. People make money off of anything if it's going either up or down. You're not going to make money if something is just stagnant. So yeah, just want to do a quick video here, kind of going into investing. So I think that's a good point to wrap this video up. I'll kind of go into a little bit more detail in my next video. So thanks for listening. And if you liked it, please like, subscribe. Catch you guys later. Bye.